Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create games on Roblox. If you have not already, make sure to head over to Google and download Roblox. Once you download Roblox, you'll get two different applications, one which is called the Roblox Player, and the other which is called Roblox Studio. In order for you to create games on Roblox, you will want to head over to Roblox Studio. Once you are in Roblox Studio, you want to go onto the top left to New, and choose a spawn for your new game. Okay, so now you can see we are in our world. It's very plain, there's nothing yet, so now we're going to start messing around with some settings that we have. Okay, so first thing first, usually what I like to do is just to get rid of the terrain since we're not going to be using it. So if you just hover over base plate and click on it, you can press delete on your keyboard or right click and press delete, and that will get rid of basically our whole base plate. So now we are completely free to do whatever we want to do. So to begin placing blocks and making our world our own, you want to come up here to part and click on part. From here you'll see there's a little rectangle that spawns. So now we have our little block in. We can do lots of different things to this. So we can move it up and down, for example. So right here, this would move it down, this would move it up. We can move it right, left. We can move it back towards us or away from us, however we want to do. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this below our spawn point. So we have like basically a ground for when we spawn. So if I then click on scale, I will make this bigger. So we have like a beginning area. So I'm just going to quickly do that. Okay, so now you can see we have sort of like a beginning area, just a small square block for when we spawn. Now, what I usually also like to do is just to get rid of the spawn location. So this is the spawn location. When I click on it, you can see here, it clicks on spawn location. We're going to make this invisible so no one can see it. So first, the decal, which is this top bit here, if you just press delete on it, that will just get rid of the decal, just so we don't have it there. And then you can left click on spawn location, and down here on the properties, we can go to transparency, and you'll see this little bar here on the right. If you drag all the way to the right, that will actually make it completely invisible. Okay, now that we have the spawn location invisible, if you click on the part and you come down to the properties, you want to make sure that you click on anchored. This is so it doesn't fall into the ground basically. So now when we click play, you can see that we spawn right above the ground here. Okay, so now we have a simple spawn location. You can obviously change the color of the part. If you want to change the color, you click on the part that you want to change color, and you click here on color, and then from here we have a lot of different colors to select from. So basically just change it so when you're in game, it's better than just the plain gray color. Okay, so from here, now our possibilities are endless. We have all the different parts that Roblox can give us. There's so many different toolbox stuff. There's loads of things to basically do, but I'm just going to create something simple just so you can see. I'm probably going to speed it up just so it's not too long. Okay, so this is just something simple, sort of like those parkour games that you see on Roblox. Okay, so now we're in the game. I'm going to just quickly test it to make sure this works fine. It's just one of those simple parkour games that you see, nothing really that crazy, but it's just for the video example. So here you can see something very simple, and the possibilities are endless. So that's how you create a game on Roblox. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them down in the comments below, and thank you all for watching.